Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit your profile or profiles on Disney Plus. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This works both the same on mobile phones and on PC, so you don't have to worry what kind of platform you are on. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to the official Disney Plus website or the app and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, then you want to create a new account, and after doing that you'll be brought up to this main page right here where all of your TV shows are. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go into the upper right corner where your profile is, and you want to put your mouse right here, and this will open up these options right here. Here you can either add a new profile if you want to create a new profile, or if you want to edit like your profile picture or name or anything about your profile, then you will go to this option right here called edit profiles. So guys, you'll go right here, click on that and select that profile that you want to edit. We currently have only one. Go ahead here, and then you can do anything that you want. You can either change your name. Let's say the name is tutorials. You can pick out tutorials. You can select if you want autoplay or if you want background video, what language you want. You can select all the options that you want, content rating, so on so on. So after doing that guys, just go ahead and click on this option right here in the upper right corner called done, and now this will save. As you can see, everything is saved and is new. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you edit your profile on Disney Plus. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.